Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode of Everything OneNote. Today I'm going to show you how to use the translate feature in Microsoft OneNote. Alright, so the translate feature is really cool in Microsoft OneNote, and it's actually really extension. I think it is embedded in a few of the other Microsoft products, but I primarily use it in OneNote just because I'm a massive user of OneNote. So I'm going to go through showing you how to convert just a page and a selection or a specific amount of words into a variety of different languages. So let's get straight into it. I'm just going to show you an example of a worksheet. This is just an investments worksheet. It's just a whole series of text and a couple of images. Now if I head up to the top, I'm already on it, but you hit that view option up the top in your menu bar and head across to translate. Now we've got the options of a selection, a page, and set language. Now I'm just going to start off with a selection, and you can see it opens up a little sidebar on the right. So I'm going to hover over and highlight this first sentence here on basically a definition of what an investment is. And you can see straight away, it was already preset, I can convert that straight into Japanese. And if I even hover over certain words, it'll give me a little bit more information about some of the different nouns and things like that, just to help that student convert that even easier. Now, I can convert that to, I think it's over 65 languages, which is really cool. So if I wanted to convert that to German, for example, it's going to convert it straight into German for me. So it's really quick, really easy and convenient to convert just a specific word or a paragraph into a different language, whether it's for educational purposes or, like in my case, I had a student this year from Japan come over into one of my business classes, and he was really struggling with the content and not really picking up that conversion from Japanese to English. Once I showed him this conversion in this translator app in Microsoft OneNote, I showed him and his parents, it made his life a whole lot easier, and his level of work and engagement in class went up massively. So that's converting a specific section. Now we're going to look at converting the entire page. So I'm going to head across to page. It's got auto detect, it's on Italian. I'm going to go back to Japanese and I'm going to translate it. And you can see it's now translated my whole page into Japanese. Now it doesn't pick up obviously my pictures, it will only pick up the text and things you have on your page. But you'll notice if I bring up my sidebar, one of the best features is it actually creates a new page. So you still have your original page in English in this instance, and then you have your Japanese version underneath. So it's really easy, I guess, to compare back and forth. But also if you accidentally converted a page into Japanese or German, you're not going to be stuck with that language and have to maybe delete or redo that page. So there's a quick how-to on how to use the translate feature. Hey guys, if you enjoyed that video or took something out of it, hit the like button below. If you have any feedback, questions, or suggestions for upcoming videos, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section. And make sure you subscribe for all of our latest ideas, tips, and tricks on everything OneNote.